Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming model and SSD compatibility. This prevents wasted time and a drive that won't work. Once done, backup saves to cloud or USB. Do not skip this. Power off, unplug, and remove any stand. This eliminates power risk. Remove the outer cover with a firm slide and expose the expansion bay. Make sure to work on a soft, static-free surface, then remove the bay screw to access the M2 slot and standoff. You'll continue by removing the old SSD or empty slot foam. Lift the drive gently to avoid bending. Next, insert the 2280 SSD into the slot at a slight angle and push it down onto the standoff. This ensures contact with the connector. Secure it with the provided screw. Torque is light, just snug. If your new drive needs a heatsink, fit a low-profile unit or thermal label now. This keeps temperatures safe under sustain. You finish by replacing the expansion cover and sliding the outer shell back until secure, then reconnect power and boot the console. The PS5 will detect the new SSD and prompt you to format. Follow those prompts so games install correctly. Once formatted, restore your saved data or re-download titles. If the drive isn't detected, power down, reseat the SSD, confirm the standoff location and screw. And try again. These simple checks solve most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.